Assalamu alaikum PG class. I'm your maths teacher and in today's class we will learn about numbers. Let's begin. 1. You need to repeat after me. 1. 2. 2. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. What will come after 4? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one is 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we will do, we'll match the numbers with the same ones. Let's start. Let's have a look to this page and numbers. Let's try to match the ones with the similar ones. Let's match. Can you find 2 anywhere? In this column, can you find 2? Yes, here is it. Let's match. Let's move towards the next number. What is it? It's 4. Let's match it. Can you find 4 anywhere? Yes, it's on the top. Now, let's move towards the next number, which is 5. Can you find 5 anywhere? Let's find out 5. Is this 5? No. Is this 5? No. Yes, that's 5. Let's match. Alright, the next one is, can you identify the number? It's 8. Can you find out 8 anywhere which looks like this 8? Yes. Here is it. Let's match. Alright, the last number is 3. Can you find 3 anywhere? Yes, here is it. Let's match. Thank you, students. Now you need to do this activity at home.